Hello, beautiful people. I hope you all are having a great day. This is a raw, uncutted video here to show you what you can change on the coupon creations. You can change the font, the elements, what the coupon is for, backgrounds, and a few other things. So we want to make sure that we are explaining to those who may not know what all you can do with your Christmas coupon templates and how you can make them to your liking or to the recipient's liking. Okay, so you will receive a PDF that will bring you to this Canva template. And I just again want to show you all what you can do. So if you're like, I don't like that color, I don't like that font, I don't like that picture, this video is for you. And again, if you have any questions throughout the video, please feel free to drop them in the comments. So what I do when I receive a template, I always make a copy of it by going to file and make a copy, just because if for some reason I mess up the template, you are most likely able to go back and re-download it. But I just do it just for my own safety. So we're going to change this background here to pink. Go ahead and also change that font to pink, that font color, excuse me, to pink. And then we're going to go ahead and find a font that we like to just switch it up a little bit. Okay. And then for the elements, you are able to change those, delete those as well. I have the coupons grouped so that if you move one thing on the coupon, that whole coupon moves together, but you are able to ungroup it. Here, we're just looking for a different breakfast element. When I'm creating templates, I like to choose something that is free because all of the people who purchase from me may not have Canva Pro. Um, Here, I'm trying to find something cute, but again, I will go down a rabbit hole sometimes trying to find stuff or just, seeing how things work. But I'm going to just go ahead and select that one at the top and then move it to where we want it to go and resize it so that it fits into our beautiful coupon. Okay. Then we are going to go ahead and change up our second coupon. This one has a border around it as well, and you're able to change the weight of the border. And you're also able to change the color or how the border is. You saw that it's a line, some dashes, dotted line, things like that. You can do it all. Again, remember, we're not saying we're making cute coupons right now. We're just trying to show you what you can do. Some of them may look weird to you, but I just want to be able to see a difference in the Canva template that we provide versus what we're creating here today. So we went ahead and changed the way the border is looking. And then we're going to go ahead and we changed this one to a family movie night. It was a family game night, but we're changing that, finding our free element and resizing it into our coupon. We will have to change that description at the bottom. I didn't change it, but make sure you change it if you change that coupon from family game night to something else, okay? This one, we're going to go ahead and change that background. Again, remember, you're able to search whatever you're looking for. And then if you don't have Canva Pro, you may want to go ahead and filter for the free stuff just so you won't see something cute that you like and find out that it's for only Canva Pro members. When I do find a background, I go ahead and just line it up with the background already provided. So if you see by the purple line, there's a pink dash, and we're going to see it right now. That helps you know that it's the same measurement as the background behind it. I'm going to put that new background all the way in the back and delete the background that was provided in this template for us. And then you can go ahead and change those fonts to a color that you prefer, delete any elements you may not want. I accidentally locked it, but you can go ahead and delete it. And you see that it's all grouped together, the inside of that coupon. So I'm going to ungroup it, and then we're going to just move it around a little bit, just so you know. It doesn't have to be exactly what we gave to you. Whatever you see is best. And some people don't even put to and from, because if you're giving it to a spouse or you're literally handing something to them, they will know who it's from. Completely up to you. Okay, so we've done 4 so far. We have 2 left. I hope you guys are sticking with me, and I hope you guys are understanding everything. So this one, the background is gradient. So if you scroll all the way down, you're able to see the different gradients that Canva supplies. And then you're also able to go ahead and change those colors to whatever colors you want. And then you can change the style of the gradient. So what direction you want your gradient to go in. I chose red, and I wanted to choose a green as well, but it didn't really look right. But I did want you all to see that there's a little dropper right there where it says the hex code and then 100%. There's a dropper there so that if there's something on your page that you like the color of, you can go ahead and click that dropper and drag it to the color you like, click done, and then it will go ahead and change that color to what you want it to be. I decided to just leave it like that, although there aren't traditional Christmas colors. We bend the rules a little bit over here sometimes, okay? So we're going to leave that one how it is. I just wanted to show you all the gradient background, and you can use that for other things as well. This one, we're not going to do too much. We're just going to kind of flip what we already gave you all in the template. So we're just moving that dotted line over. We're changing up how we want the flow of this coupon to look. And again, you saw I moved the white part of that coupon, and I always make sure that they're centered. And I moved it off center, so I made sure I hit that undo button so it goes back to center. And then we're going to go ahead and change the background color to a navy blue. And we're also going to change that font to something different. And again, you can change the font color, size, style. Style meaning what font you choose. Okay, and then we have completed how we want our coupons to look. We're going to go up to the top. Now here you have 2 options. Majority of the time, my digital creations are okay for like PDFs. If you do select a PDF, you want to make sure you select transparent background so that it does not print the background. If you want that background, that's completely up to you. But most people, they're going to cut these coupons. And so we don't want that background. Now, if you select PDF standard, like when you did the PNG, you won't have that option for the transparent background. I accidentally deleted the whole page here, but you can click that background and delete it. And then that way you can go ahead and print it as a PDF, cut it with your scissors or your cutting machine, and you can give it to your recipients of these wonderful customized coupons. So I hope this helped. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you so much. Have a blessed day.